Hello, Mr. Twy. Good morning.
Okay, good morning.
Yes, wow. Well, that's great because you have a nice view at- with your background. Where
Yeah,
are you right now?
yeah. This is a park near my house.
Well, that is great, Mr. Twy. Okay, it feels
Yeah,
refreshing whenever we go to the park on the weekends because if we just stay at home, it's gonna be
yeah,
suffocating. Yeah, it's good to have some fresh air
yeah,
outside.
yeah.
Yeah. How's
Friends
everything
outside.
going
Yeah.
with you?
This morning I take my wife to market and
Mm.
uh, and I'm waiting her and now I'm study in English.
Ah, all
Yeah,
right. Okay. Well, that
yeah.
sounds great, Mr. Twy. How's the weather out there?
Uh, the weather is uh, sunshine and a little cloud.
A
Yeah,
little
very nice.
cloudy. Oh, so
Yeah, yeah.
probably it will rain later. That is actually the same thing in our place because during the day it's gonna be so hot. Right now it's so hot outside. But once it turns in the afternoon, like it's like 3 o'clock,
Mm,
4 o'clock, then the rain will start pouring.
mm.
Yeah. And that is the normal weather here in our place. Yeah. So anyway,
Yeah,
Mr. Twy, if you can remember, like last Thursday, you finished reading about the short text. Lynn talks about her city. Okay. And you asked
yeah,
me some questions about about some words in here. Now, it's my turn to ask you some questions about the text. And the questions that I'm going to
yeah,
ask you is just here on the text too. So the first question here is how long have Lynn lived in this city?
yeah. Uh, Lynn have uh, Lynn have here nearly 8 years in this city.
Yes. What about you, Mr. Twy? How long have you lived in your city?
Uh, about about uh, 15, 15 years in this city.
15 years. Ah, all right. It's like almost half of your life,
Yeah.
right?
Uh, yeah. Since 2008, I uh, I study at university in big city in Ho Chi Minh
Mm,
City.
yeah.
Yeah, and I went to go go here. And when I graduate, uh, and I work for some uh, some 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 company, and now I'm living in this city. Yeah,
All right. So you live there for 15 years. Yes. You live
yeah,
there since 15 years ago. So I
yeah.
assume that you really like your city because up until now you are still there. So what are the qualities that your city has that you like the most?
Mm, I think the big city.
Mm,
Uh, yeah, I think in this city have uh, a lot of uh, a lot of tree. Yeah, the
yeah.
government plant lots of tree. Uh,
Mm,
in this city nearby Ho Chi Minh City, about 30 kilometers.
mm,
Uh, yeah, and in Ho Chi Minh City, always crowded, always traffic jam. in the
Yeah.
morning and in the afternoon. Yeah, and maybe the pollution, air pollution. The government have improved to air pollution for Ho Chi Minh City. Uh, I think uh, I think uh, I think living in this city is very fresh air.
Yeah, so it
Yeah,
is the fresh air. Of course,
yeah,
like even me,
yes,
I would love to be in a city where the air is
yeah,
not polluted.
yeah, and
Yeah.
yes, the government feel uh, big street, big street.
Mm.
Yes, uh, never traffic jam.
Mm.
Yeah, and you went drive or drive car comfortable. Yes,
All right. Well, that is great because even though that you are in a big city, because I know that Ho Chi Minh is the second biggest city in Vietnam aside from Hanoi, because Hanoi is the capital. Even though that you are in
yes,
another big city in Vietnam, the traffic is not as terrible as the capital city. Yeah, so
yeah,
well, that is actually great.
yeah. I think almost this city in the world uh, have traffic jam and air pollution.
Mm. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right. Especially during rush hours where students are
yeah,
going out, going home. Everyone is going home. Oh my God. So that is the most stressful
yeah,
day in
yeah,
your life.
yeah. Since 5 years ago,
Yeah.
I work for company in Ho Chi Minh City.
Mm.
I have woke up 5 a.m. To prepare for everyone, for everything. And
Mm.
about 5:30 a.m. I have I have to ride by go to Ho Chi Minh City.
Mm.
Uh, about 2 hours, very tired when I go to my company, very tired because the street always crowded and always
Yeah.
traffic jam. Yes, uh, everyone has to ride by or drive a car next to and very yes,
Mm.
yes,
Yeah. All right. Well, that that's
yeah,
nice. Yeah. Thank you so much for
yeah, that's all.
sharing that
Yeah,
one. Yeah. Thank you so much for sharing
yeah,
those good qualities about your city and sharing the things that you like about your city. Okay. Because I really believe that
yeah,
everyone chose to live in that city because of specific reasons. Okay. Now let's go back to Lynn from this text.
yeah,
Okay. Like,
yeah.
talk about some interesting places to visit in Lin City.
Talk about shopping marketplace to visit in the city. Uh, interesting place. In, okay, Lin and your friends often go to places like on Kim Lake and the household to walk and relax. At the weekend, and at the weekend or on holiday, Lin and your friend go to suffer area like Pavi National Park and Akka Village.
Yes, that's right. Okay, like, have you ever been to these places mentioned from the text, Mr. Twy?
Yeah, I know. Hòn Kiếm Lắc is
Mm.
Quýt Lắc in the central Hanoi capital. Yes. Uh, Long time ago, uh, the Hòn Kiếm Lắc
Mm.
recently have a king, a king. Yes, that's right. A king, uh, a king went to and play on Kiếm Lắc. Yes.
Wow.
Uh, yes. The king in Vietnam is uh, Lý Thái Tổ.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yes, Lý Tổ established Thăng Long, established Thăng Long about 1010 from
Yeah.
1010. Yeah. Mm. And uh, the king have borrowed uh, 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 you can search the history in Hòn Kim Lắc. Yes,
Okay, here it is. Let
yeah,
me search that
yeah,
one. All right. Well, this
yeah.
is actually
You
great
know,
because
yeah,
you've been to these places. So that
mm,
is why
yeah,
you can share some things about it. History of
yeah.
Hon Kim
Hòn
Lake.
Kim Lắc, yeah. Uh, because Hòn Kim Lắc have long time ago from 1010.
Ah, so it is actually known as Sword Lake. So why do you
Yeah.
think that it is called Sword Lake, Mr. Toy? Sword
Sword
Lake or
Lake.
what we call Hugum?
Yes, yes, Sword Lake. Because the the same is the same canal lake.
Hmm.
Sword Lake. Yeah. The king borrow from from uh, from from sorry, you can I will search the Google
Okay, sure.
from
Because I am also reading.
yes, yeah, so I mean it's from Tok To
Mm-hmm.
Turtle.
Yeah.
The king follow the swarm turtle. Yes, the history says.
Ah,
You
like
understand?
the you what do you
Yeah.
mean like the
Uh,
turtle like the
yes. Long time ago, the Chinese have the army go to in Vietnam, and the
yeah.
king, yes, and the king have follow the swarm to
Hmm.
to to, to remove the move out Chinese in Vietnam.
Ah, all
Yes,
right.
yes, yes.
Yeah, that makes
The
sense.
history, yeah, the history in Vietnam nearby the Chinese, you know.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, so
Yeah.
here, like I also researched about it and according to the internet, like what that
Mm.
like the lake gets its name from Emperor Leloy. La Leloy? I don't know how to say it like this one. Leloy. Emperor Leloy.
Lê Lợi, yes, Lê Lợi, yes, correct. Lê Lợi is the king in Vietnam. Lê Lợi,
Ah, all right.
yes,
So yeah,
yes.
they were actually
It
boating when a golden turtle rose from the lake.
yes. Lê Lợi is the king in Vietnam. Uh, uh, to 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 establish army to remove out the Chinese uh, in Vietnam. Yeah. the Chinese the Chinese um, um, long time ago the Chinese uh, the Chinese have army to fighting with Vietnam. The
Mm.
yes the Lê is in Vietnam to to fighting fighting with the Chinese. Yes, Vietnam have one 1,000 years to fighting with Chinese. Yes,
Yes.
because
Oh,
Vietnam. Yes, yes, the land Vietnam nearby Chinese.
all right. So thank you so much for
Yes,
sharing about that wonderful or beautiful lake. And I believe that this lake, since it has history about it, then this is one of
yeah,
the tourist destination in Hanoi,
yeah,
right?
yes, yeah.
Yeah. Is it here,
Hanoi.
Mr. Choi?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Long time ago, Hanoi. You can search Thăng Long, Thăng Long, Hanoi, Thăng Long.
Mm,
Thăng Long is capital long time ago. Yeah,
mm.
and and the uh, 20th century chain name is Hanoi.
Yeah. All
Yeah,
right. So thank you for that additional information, Mr. Twai. Yeah, so Mr. Twai, like speaking of one of the tourist places here in Hanoi, which is the Hon Kiem Lake. Okay,
yeah.
I'm just
On Kim
curious.
Lake.
Is it safe to sail on a boat on this lake? Like to sail on a boat
Step on the port. Sorry, I step on
like
the
this
port.
one. Hold on.
Step
Is it
on
safe
the port.
to sail on a boat in
Ah,
Hon Kiem Lake? Hon Kiem Lake?
uh, yes, the government don't allow for everyone step on the port. Yes, the government manage
Ah,
lake. Yes, this is history from in Vietnamese.
yeah.
Yes.
So if
Uh,
you're going to if you're going to visit there, so what can a tourist do in Hon Kiem Lake?
yes.
Just take
Yeah.
picture?
Yes. Yes. You can take a picture. You can walk around
Ah,
on Kim Lake. Yes.
yeah.
Uh, many foreigners go to on Kim Lake to take a picture to walk around, and you can try eat ice cream Tràng Tiền, ice cream
Mm.
Tràng Tiền. Long time ago, it's time long time ago in Hanoi. Yes,
All right. So thank you for that clarification, Mr. Twai. So yeah, they're very strict because they want to preserve the beautiful lake there. Yeah,
yeah,
and they also want to preserve the history. Okay, so what about
yeah.
Bavi National Park? Have you ever been here?
No, I, I, I don't. Uh, I'm not. Uh, Ba Vì is near Hanoi
Mm,
uh, about 50. I don't remember. Uh, because Ba Vì have a mountain, has a mountain,
yeah.
and yes, and probably uh, uh, coal, a coal farm.
Mm.
You know coal farm.
What
Yes,
is
coal
that?
farm. In Vietnam have uh, beef farm, coal
Mm,
farm, coal farm. Yes,
yeah.
cow cow farm, uh, beef farm, the same beef farm, cow farm to the
Oh,
mill
you mean
to
cow
produce milk.
farm, like this cow farm,
Yeah,
like moo,
cow farm.
right?
Yes,
Yeah.
cow farm in Bali. Yes, cow farm in
Ah, all
Bali.
right.
Yes, yeah. Cow farm in Bali to produce milk. In Vietnam have Vinamilk company.
Mm.
Yeah, Vina Vietnam milk Vina milk.
Ah,
Yes,
wow,
produce
Vienna
in
milk.
Vietnam.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Oh, that's so
Vina milk.
creative.
Yes, yeah. This is brand in Vietnam.
Mm.
Brand Vina milk. Yes, Vina milk is bought uh, lots of country in the world. Yes, Vina milk.
Ah,
Yes,
like this one, right?
yes, 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 right.
Ah, so this is
Yes,
one of Vietnamese product, well-known
yes,
product,
Vietnamese
because they
product.
also export to other countries.
Yes, it's from water country. Yes,
Be-
you yes, you can try. Right. Yeah.
Yes, I would love to try. That's why I research about it, because it's actually good that was that like one person
Mm.
will talk about one of its well-known product originally made in their country,
Yeah.
so that foreigners
Yeah.
or tourists can actually try it, and they
Yeah.
can also recommend it to
Yeah.
other people like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Very cheap, about under 10 10,000 BND for a pot.
Let me
For a
search
pot.
if that's really cheap.
Yeah.
10,000
Yeah.
Vietnamese
Yeah.
to PHP.
Yes. Under.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, it's very cheap. Oh my God. 21
Yes. A pot.
peso.
Yeah.
Like how many
Yeah.
how many ml for
Uh,
10,000
about
Vietnamese dong?
I 300 millimeter millimil
Ah, really? So
ml.
yeah, it is indeed cheap. So very cheap. And
Yeah.
they are already fresh
Yeah.
milk, right? It's fresh milk.
Yeah.
It's very, yeah, it's actually
Yes.
so
Fresh
cheap.
milk.
So imagine like this one. Oh, this is 100 ml. This one is 220. So this one is 1 liter. So
Mm.
where is
Two.
100? Oh,
Yeah.
maybe this one is the 10,000
Mm.
Vietnamese dong, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so very cheap, Mr.
You can
Toy.
search price. Yes. Yeah. You can search price for for milk.
Hold on. Prices of
Price
Vina milk.
for milk a pot.
I can't find. Maybe this one. Oh no,
Uh,
it's not.
yeah.
I cannot find, but don't worry
Uh,
because I'm gonna look for it later when I have free time. And
yeah.
probably
Yeah.
there are stores online where I can buy this, because
Yeah.
in China we can also order online here in the Philippines, and
Mm.
China will deliver it to
Uh,
us here. The online
yeah.
stores like, say,
Yeah.
what's that, Hanabishi products, like appliances.
Online store. Yeah.
Yes. So
Uh,
probably Vinamilk is also, it can also be found in online shops.
online store. Yeah. You can try. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Thank you for that one, Mr. Toy. So what about
Yeah.
the people here in Lin City? So can you describe how are the people in Lin City?
Talk about people in the city. Uh, People in Hanoi are quite friendly, friendly.
Yeah.
Uh, but like people in other big cities,
Mm.
they are often busy, so it's same that they are not interested in speaking or having a chat, and
Yeah.
but they are willing to help you when you need.
Yes. Okay,
Yeah,
what about in your city, Mr. Twy? Talk about the people in your city. Actually, it's not good to talk
yes,
about other people, but since we're talking about city, since we're talking about
uh,
the topic city, then yeah, that's fine.
yeah. Vietnamese have traditional friendly. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
almost, yeah, almost Vietnamese uh, friendly. Yes, you can research a search internet. Vietnamese very friendly with foreigner.
Yeah,
Yeah,
seem very similar, Mr. Twy. You know what? Here in the
yeah,
Philippines, like Filipinos are
yeah,
welcoming, hospitable, friendly. Yeah,
uh,
but not all.
yeah,
Because it's not about where you come from. It is actually about your
yeah,
personality. If you are that kind of person, if
yeah,
you're rude, then you're rude. It has nothing to do with your Filipino, your Vietnamese, or whatsoever like that. So that's just how you are as a person.
yeah,
But in general,
yeah,
like I know that Vietnamese and
yeah,
Filipinos are friendly, hospitable,
yeah,
accommodating,
yeah,
and most
hospitable.
especially to
Yeah,
foreigners.
yeah. I think you this uh, many people in Vietnamese. You can
Mm-hmm.
arrange to Vietnam
Uh-huh.
to to know and to understand the culture in Vietnam. Yeah,
Ah, you know what?
Vietnam
One
is
thing,
very friendly. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, one thing that I like to try in Vietnam is to what's that? To wear your traditional dress for women.
Yes. Traditional in Vietnam, a lot of for women.
Yeah.
If you go to Vietnam, you should buy for you áo dài and hat and nón lá and
Yeah,
hat
that
a hat.
one. Yeah, Auday.
Yeah,
Yeah, that one.
yes. This is traditional for women in Vietnam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, that's one thing that I love to try aside from the
Yeah.
Vina milk. Yes. And you know what,
Yes,
Mr. Twy?
Vietnamese.
There is also another famous cafe in Vietnam that is very common for
Yes,
tourists. And it has so many
yes,
stores in
cafe.
one
Yes,
building. And I think that is
yes.
in your
In
city, Ho
Vietnam,
Chi Minh.
coffee.
Yeah, like cafe.
Yes, coffee. Plant. Plant from in the central in Vietnam. Ho Chi Minh City only buy in store,
Ah,
not
all
plant.
right.
Yet,
Like
yet only plant cafe in central Vietnam. You can search uh, Đắk Lắk,
what's that
Đắk
called?
Lắk province. You can search D K A K A A D A K space L A K. Yes, Vietnam. Yes,
Oh, this one?
yes, yes.
Ah,
You
all
can
right.
click I make. You can click I make. Yes. A lot of
Oh, wow, it is
elephant, a
nice.
lot of mountain, a lot of cafe, a lot of teas. Yes. Cafe Đắk Lắk, Vietnam. You can search Cafe Đắk Lắk, Vietnam.
Oh,
Yeah.
actually, there's one that I want to try in Ho Chi
So,
Minh because it's very famous. Like
Ho Chi, yeah,
every guest
yes,
would actually go there.
yes,
This one, Mr. Twy. This is the one that
yes.
I'm.
Ho Chi Minh, yes. Ho Chi Minh only buy and only store or only restaurant, not plan. Yes. Original
Mm.
from that in central Vietnam.
All right. Okay, so
Yes,
this one is in
cafe,
central
cafe.
Vietnam,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
So why is this? I don't
Cafe.
understand. Uh-huh.
Because Ho Chi Minh City is big city and many people, and Ho Chi Minh City uh, uh, is a lot of money. Yeah, lots of
Yeah.
money, and
Mm.
yes, and lots of people from all the country and 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 uh, and a lot of people living and working uh, everything. Yes,
All
but
right. So,
but uh, yes, yeah. Don't blend in Ho Chi Minh City.
all right. So thank you for sharing that one, Mr. Twy. So as a tourist, if you consider yourself as a tourist, so what can you do
Yeah.
in this area or in this building as a tourist? What's in this building?
Ah. Uh, you can search the hotel in the central Ho Chi Minh. You can search price to compare the hotel. Yeah, in Ho Chi Minh, uh, uh, have uh, lots of price for you choose the hotel. You can choose the 1 million per night or 2 million per night or or 500,000 per night with VND.
Mm, all
Yeah.
right.
Uh, yes. If you choose in the central Ho Chi Minh City, maybe
Mm.
expensive. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, because you are in the what's that? It's
Yeah.
like you are in the heart of the city. So yeah, that's reasonable
Yeah.
price. That
Yeah.
price is very
Yeah.
reasonable. All right, so
Yeah.
thank you so much for those suggestions, Mr. Twai. Like you shared so
Yeah.
much about Ho Chi Minh
Okay.
City and not just about your city, but with
Yeah.
other cities in Vietnam too. I highly appreciate that one. As much as I still want to talk more to you, Mr. Twai, it's already time. And I also still need to have my
Yeah.
lunch. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you enjoy the rest of your day, Mr. Twai. Thank you for your time and have a
Thank you.
great day. Welcome,
Yes.
Mr. Twai.
Have
Bye.
fun.